Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So today we're going to show you how to install our YP-CPAA-320SYM. This is our CarPlay Android Auto interface to the Audi non-MMI vehicles. This one has the wireless Apple CarPlay. It can do also wireless Android Auto, but it's not as stable. So we already ran the USB to the center here, so I already have the USB. I already have a camera connected, so this powers his connection to the camera. So this you're gonna see very simple. It shows camera input, reverse wire. It's already in. Now, we did a modification on the radio. We added this motherboard, so we're gonna have a link in the video to show how to do this modification. And then we have this wire just goes into this connection here. This is part of the camera harness. Okay, so this just goes into connection here. This is a very important connection. This is what allows you to control the module from the factory buttons. This is our wireless connection, so just plug it into here and lock it. Now for the power and data are very simple. In the AC control, I'm gonna remove this connector. I'm gonna plug in our connector. I'm gonna plug in back here, so we have the T-harness for that. For this one, we're gonna do plug and play, again T-harness. Now this system for the vehicles that don't have navigation also needs a microphone. The microphone does not work from the factory microphone in this case, but you get this microphone looks like an Audi. It's actually a Volkswagen microphone. You can hide it on the top the same as the factory one, so inside invisible, and you're gonna have to plug it into here. So we're gonna remove the microphone slide out, so we're gonna slide it out. Simple connector, slide it out, and then we're gonna remove the two pins. We have only two pins. I'm gonna remove them both. Okay, using a pick tool that makes it easier. Okay, so we have the two pins coming out, and then in this connection, okay, we're gonna have the connector. So in this side, the easiest way is to see in this side, okay, we have these two sorry, we have this upside down. So we have these two wires, the green, black and green. So it's in this connector, last two pins, which means it's in the in this vehicle is this green connector here, the last two pins. Now we're gonna slide this connector out. So we'll take it out, and we're gonna put those pins in it. So we have the top pin is the green, black, and the bottom one is the green. So the top pin is actually going to be our positive, even though usually the black represents negative, and the top pin will be a positive. A positive is our white wire. So we're going to slide the white wire to the top and lock it in place. We're just going to open here. There's a locking system, so we're going to open it, let it lock all the way in, and then close the top, and then the bottom the same way. I'm going to open the lock in here, I'm going to put the other one on the bottom. It's only going to slide in one way, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake. And just make sure it slides all the way in, and you hear a small locking, and it's locked. Then we lock this one here back. We slide this one back into place, and we're gonna verify that we are correct. So we're gonna slide this one back. Oh, make sure it's closed all the way. It is perfect. Okay, slide back into place. Now we can see that our top wire is our white and our bottom wire is our black, and here our top wire is our green, black, and our white bottom wire is our green. So we are correct. Plug it in, slide it in, then we other side slides into the vehicle, to the radio connector. So we'll slide it in, very simple. Okay, the last connection we have is the T-harness for the screen view. So the T-harness goes, this connector behind the radio. You can watch our video of how to remove the radio and you'll see it. So one side goes here, just locks into place, and the other side goes to the radio, and that's it. We have basically the system already connected. I'm going to turn the ignition on to test it. Oh, important is the dip switches. Sorry, first we're going to show you dip switches. So dip switches here are important. We have dip switch, we have dip switch 4 and 5 to on position and 8 to on position. So 4, 5 and 8, sorry, 4, 6 and 8 to on position. So all these 3 switches have to go to on position. I'm going to plug in the system. I'm going to put all the connections. We have the connection for the screen already, and we have this connection, and we have the camera connection. Which is our camera connection is, oh, I'm missing my camera connection. Okay, here we have it. Sorry for the mess, it's just right now I'm just trying to show you for the video. Obviously we usually don't have that mess. It's all gonna be clean and nice. I'm gonna put it in. So to test that the system actually works, we're gonna hold the media button and we're gonna go into the CarPlay. Now, important part is the system hears, all the sound is through the vehicle media, to the aux. Now, to make sure that the aux is active, you have to plug in your aux cable. You have the AMI in the Audi, which is basically what connects to the aux. You have to connect your aux cable. If you don't have an aux cable, you can buy this online on Amazon or other places, but you can purchase that. So we plug it in, and basically by plugging it in, we activated our media option. And now we're gonna plug in our phone. So we take a USB. As you can see, it's actually already asking me for the wireless Android Auto, but I'm gonna show you the hardwired one. Sorry, our video turned off, and the reason it's actually turned off is because our phone is connected through the Android Auto wirelessly, so it's connected to the vehicle and it cut off the camera. Now in here, as you can see here, all you can see on the screen, I use the media unit basically to control all my features. Now I cannot play music right now because we are playing the video, but if I go here, I have my home features and everything here. And again, we cannot show you how the music sounds as we are using the phone to take the video of this. I mean, if I press here on the voice command, it will do the voice command, but it will turn off our video. So for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can always find it in our website. We're going to put a link in this video where to purchase it. If you have any questions of how to install after you purchase the unit from us, give us a call and we'll help you. Thank you very much and have a good day.